Eating healthy, balanced meals is a daily struggle. Hi, I'm Heather Abbott. I'm an integrative nutrition health coach, and with me is Dr. Gary Lindner. He is a physiologist. Welcome to another Self-Care Bite, where we try to answer your self-care questions in under 3 minutes. Now that I've stated the obvious about diets, let's talk about some ways that you can supplement those with some whole food nutrition. And if you stick around, how you can save some money. Dr. Lindner, tell us a little bit about Nika and Kenzen Wellness.
You know, you're absolutely right, Heather. This is a daily conundrum for many of us. The CDC, Centers for Disease Control, state that 90% of Americans do not get their daily requirements for fruits and vegetables, and this includes children. Nika and Kenzen whole food supplements are an excellent and cost-effective way to get proper, healthy nutrition.
A balanced plate consists of proteins, fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and fats, accompanied by a beverage such as water. Kenzen Vital Balance Meal Replacement Mix, what we shorten to KVB, is high in naturally sourced pea protein, organic rice protein, and organic chlorella. There are 20 grams of fiber in a serving, along with a cornucopia of other healthy ingredients, including pre and probiotics, and also some mood-enhancing MCTs.
That's right, Heather. Kenzen Vital Balance is a great way to get all those nutrients and your protein source. We also want to supplement with a vegetable source. For this, we recommend Niken's Jade GreenZymes. This is young barley grass, organic barley grass juice extract powder, one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It is full of antioxidants, enzymes, phytonutrients, and it's one of the healthiest foods available to us.
And whole grains.
And whole grains, absolutely. And for our fruit complement, we recommend Super Ciaga. Now, this is a superfruit antioxidant and immune booster. It's formulated with a select group of superfruits chosen for their nutrient density and immune boosting characteristics. This satisfies our nutritional need for fruits in a tasty beverage, and kids love it too. It's a powder with antioxidant punch.
And it's delicious.
It is, and every day.
Every day. Kenzen Omega Green plus DHA is vegetable derived and supports healthy heart, brain, nerve, and eye functions, as well as helps maintain cardiovascular health. Omega fatty acids also support your digestive health, your hormone balance, and they're good for the skin. Kenzen Omega Green plus DHA is sourced from cranberry seed oil, flaxseed oil, and red algae.
And it's very important that it's vegetable derived. People really enjoy that.
And you don't get that fishy taste?
You don't get that fishy taste, absolutely. Or any of the contaminants that may be in a fish-derived fatty acid supplement. Right. So when you register as a customer with Nika, you can set up a wellness subscription and save 10% off the retail price. You also don't have to worry about missing a day because your shipment comes automatically. And you can amend it and pause it or even cancel it at any time.
Reach out to a Nika consultant today to set up your wellness subscription. That's what we have for you today. If you would like to know more healthy choices, click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you on our next Self-Care Bite. Be healthy by choice and not by chance.